Hello everyone and welcome. Today I will show you how to reset service alarm on your Volkswagen Passat B5.5. First, you need to have your ignition off. Then press trip reset button and keep holding it. Turn ignition on. While holding trip reset button, turn clock adjustment button clockwise, to the right, as if you would be adjusting minutes. And that's it. You can turn your ignition off and back on to see that you no longer have service alarm. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Have a nice day. Bye.